Hello, student of DAV Moil Public School, Sita Savangi. This is Aarti Agrari. Welcomes you all on e-learning class. Standard 5th, subject social science, and our topic is sensitivity towards other. Part 3. Dear children, before this class we have learnt about physical and social deprived children. Today we will discuss question answer and exercise of this lesson. So get ready, take your notebook and pen and write down carefully. Tick right the correct option. A special skill can make the physically challenged children dependent, confident, sympathetic. Answer will be confident. Number 2. Children with physical change have difficulty in forming relationship with others due to physical limitation, less confident, shyness. Answer will be physical limitations. Third, physically challenged children should be given education which is exclusive, inclusive, special. Answer will be special. Fourth, the condition of socially deprived children can be improved through employment, money, education. So answer will be education. So children, write carefully, write the correct option on your notebook. Next, fill in the blanks. In help box, some clues has given. First, one little care and love can make a great difference in the lives of dash challenged and dash deprived children. Answer will be, choose the answer, physically challenged and socially deprived children. Okay. Second, especially trained teachers and therapists provide dash to special children. Especially children teacher and therapist provide, what will be answer? Guidance to special children. Third, especially challenged children face difficulties in forming. Answer will be relationship. Okay. 4. Our dish has special provision to ensure that each and every child get education. Answer will constitution. 5. Dash education also benefits all students. Answer will inclusive education also benefits all students. Okay. Note down on your notebook. Next, correct the following statement. First, in earlier time, parents were aware about the help and training given to physically challenged children. In lesson, we have already learnt parents were unaware. So, you will write unaware in place of aware. So, answer will be, in earlier time, parents were unaware about the help and training given to physically challenged children. Next, special children should not be provided with opportunities. Wrong. Answer will be, special children should be provided with opportunities. Okay? You will cut not. Physically challenged children should be sent to special school only. No. We have already learnt about inclusive education. So, answer will, physically challenged children should not be sent to special school only. Fourth, school has no role in life of special children. Wrong. The school has main role in the life of special children. 5. Socially deprived children belong to home where the parents are able to earn enough money. Answer will, socially deprived children belong to a home where the parents are not able to earn enough money. Okay. So, write correct answer on your notebook. There are only some mistake, you will correct it. Okay. Next we will learn question answer. Okay. So write question answer. Answer briefly. Which facility in school can make physically challenged children more mobile? Answer will be specially trained teachers, therapists, and special machine for exercise can make physically challenged children more mobile. Question 2. Which important quality do parents and teachers of physically challenged children need? Answer: patience, kindness, and sympathetic attitude for important qualities need parents and teachers of physically challenged children. Question number 3. Name one thing that is essential for physically challenged children. Guidance is essential for physically challenged children. Question 4. What do socially deprived children miss? Answer: socially deprived children miss opportunity of education or a life of dignity. Question 5. What do you do with your old books, clothes, and toys? Answer: I donate my old books, clothes, and toys to needy and poor children. We have already discussed about this. Okay. Answer the following question. Who are special children? What can make a difference in their lives? Visually impaired and hearing impaired are special children. A little care and love can make a great difference in their life. Question 2. Distinguish between the training of physically challenged children in earlier time and present time. Answer: in earlier times, parents unaware about training and special education of physically challenged children. There was not any specially trained teacher and machine. In recent time, parents are aware and many special machine, trained teacher and therapists provide guidance to these special children. Question 5. What is inclusive education? How does it benefit other students? Answer: inclusive education, when children with and without disabilities participate and learn together in the same class, are called inclusive education. Inclusive education benefits other students. They develop an understanding of needs of special children, but also develop a caring and sympathetic attitude toward them. Question 5. Who are socially deprived children? Where can you commonly find them? Answer: socially deprived children who are deprived of the right to live a decent life and they do not have the opportunity of education. We can commonly find them on the street or in the slum. So, dear children, I hope you will learn and write question answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.